I, William Samoei Ruto.
Even before being elected into the office, President William Ruto committed to maintaining and upholding the judiciary's independence. To demonstrate his dedication to the judiciary, he named 6 judges to the Court of Appeal shortly after taking office. However, in an unexpected turn of events, the president has found himself in continual conflict with the courts, with his plans being stopped every now and then by the courts. President Ruto then committed to defying stay orders imposed during the implementation of programs such as the Affordable Housing and the Social Health Insurance Act. The head of state openly accused several judges of participating in corruption cartels that conspired to sabotage government initiatives. Since the establishment of the Kenya Kwanza administration, the courts have issued more than 9 standing orders to the government, and today we look into each of these orders. My name is Deborah Rono. After Kenya Kwanza's parliamentary majority had their way by passing the finance bill into law, Busia Senator Omkia Omtata, together with 4 others, moved to court to declare the bill unconstitutional. On September 8th, however, the Supreme Court declined to stop the implementation of the Finance Act 2023. 50 chief administrative secretaries were sworn in by President William Ruto on March 23rd, but the Law Society of Kenya and Katiba Institute moved to court to challenge the appointment, and the court ruled it unconstitutional. An appeal was made by AG Justin Muturi and Dennis Itumbi. However, the High Court issued orders barring the CAS from assuming office pending the hearing and determination of the petition. In the Shakahola massacre case, the High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi issued an order suspending the decision of President William Ruto to establish the Commission of Inquiry to probe the Shakahola deaths. Azimio Coalition had filed the case in court, saying that the move was against public interest as the Senate was already investigating the matter together with the police. In 2023, the High Court suspended President William Ruto's decision to allow logging to resume in state forests after a more than 5-year ban, citing lack of evidence of public participation. The court ruling came after the Law Society of Kenya challenged Ruto's directive. In January 2024, a memo was issued and signed by Basic Education Principal Secretary Belio Kipsang, directing all government schools to facilitate the payment of school fees through the eCitizen platform. The High Court Justice Chacha Mwita, however, extended orders blocking the government directive. In another case, the High Court halted the registration and issuance of new government identity cards following a case filed by the Katiba Institute. Katiba Institute said the government had no legal basis for implementing the Maisha number card. In 2024, the High Court lifted the order, stopping the rollout of the new digital identity cards, allowing the government to continue the processing of the applications. In December last year, the High Court suspended the government's move to privatize KICC and 10 other state corporations, following a case filed by the Orange Democratic Movement Party. Justice Chacha Mwita issued the order after ODM, through Advocate Jackson Awele, said the public was not allowed to give its views regarding the Privatization Act, which made it easier to sell the state enterprises to private companies. Finally, the High Court halted the implementation of the 3 acts by the Ministry of Health: the Social Health Insurance Fund Act 2023, the Primary Health Care Act 2023, and the Digital Health Care Act 2023 was stopped pending the hearing and determination of a petition seeking to impede it. The petitioner, Joseph Aora, filed a case arguing that the 3 health acts contravened the Constitution, with provisions seeking to deny Kenyans critical rights. Justice Chacha Mwita issued a conservatory order halting the implementation, saying the petition pointed out important constitutional issues. The court in 2024, however, lifted the orders barring Ruto's social health insurance fund.